Are you using the LinkedIn Stories feature yet to help promote your business or brand? What I tend to find in the world of LinkedIn, it's pretty much a well-kept secret still, where the vast majority of people just aren't taking advantage of it. And as you can see now, I'm on my home screen. And the LinkedIn Stories feature operates pretty similar to what they do on Facebook and Instagram, where I can scroll along the top and see who in my first level connections on LinkedIn has created a story recently. And if I click on one, we're able to see, what information people have been posting. Short, sharp, quick information. Sometimes it's behind the scenes, things in your work life. Sometimes it's something that may be a little bit more personal, things like that. But taking advantage of the LinkedIn Stories feature is something I think we all should be doing. Now, it's really easy to create a story on LinkedIn. I go to the top left and I'm going to click on the plus icon next to the image of me, and it's going to bring up a blank screen, and I'm going to then tap on selecting a photo from my camera. So I'm going to select this one, Perfect Instagram Bio. So this is a video that I produced to my YouTube channel a few months ago, and I'm going to use the LinkedIn Stories feature to actually help promote this video. So let me type in some text as well. So the words I've added are, tell me your best Insta bio hack. And there's a few different ways we can, the fonts we can use, classic and minimal and headline and retro, but I like to keep it nice and simple and neat. Now we can rotate that and make it a little bit bigger as well, but I don't like to clutter the screen too much. Now we can also add some stickers, and we can add a clock with the timestamp, various things like that. We could add a mention, we could mention a person as well. So there's a few little tricks that we can use. It's not as, I suppose, functionality nowhere near like what Instagram or Facebook is, but anyway, they do give us a few options. Let me see if I can find a sticker that might be appropriate. Now I found one here. I'm here to help. Let's see if I can move that a little bit around the screen. Maybe it's now getting a little bit too cluttered, but the idea is very simple. Now I'm not going to go into it too much in depth and detail how to do all of that. I wanted to make this video short, sharp and sweet, but let's press share the story. Now that has been published now, and it will appear under my stories, I suppose, headline, and people get the opportunity to engage with me in another way here on LinkedIn. And as I say, this is me helping promote another one of my YouTube videos, just driving traffic to that. So that's how simple it is to start utilizing LinkedIn Stories. Go to the comment section below to let me know whether you're a fan of LinkedIn Stories.